Hi guys! My French onion chicken has lightly coated pan-seared chicken breasts smothered with caramelized onions and topped with lots of gooey cheese. It's an easy yet elegant chicken dinner with all the delicious flavors of French onion soup. So let's get started.
The ingredients we're going to be using today are 1.5 pounds of chicken breast sliced in half horizontally and pounded evenly, half cup of flour, 2 large onions sliced thin, 1 1/4 cups of shredded mozzarella or gruyere cheese, and 1.5 cups of beef broth. Begin by seasoning chicken well on both sides with salt and pepper. Dredge each piece of chicken into the flour, shaking off the excess. This will provide a nice light coating for the sauce to adhere to. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and cook chicken. Cook chicken until cooked through, about 3 to 4 minutes per side depending on the thickness. Remove chicken, wipe pan clean, and set aside. Heat about 1/4 cup of oil over medium heat and add onions. This may look like a lot of onions at first, but it'll shrink during the cooking process. Season well with salt and pepper. Continue to cook over medium heat for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 15 minutes, reduce heat to medium-low and cook for another 10 minutes. This is a timely process to get the onions to caramelize, but trust me, the flavor is worth it. At this point, the onion should have a nice golden brown color. Add beef broth and bring to a boil. Let simmer over medium heat until the liquid has reduced. This will take about 2 minutes. At this point, check your seasonings to see if any additional salt and pepper is required. Return chicken back to the pan and spoon over some of the delicious sauce on top. Sprinkle over the shredded cheese. Set your oven setting to broil and broil until cheese has melted. This will take about a minute. For the full written recipe, I have everything written in the description below. Okay, you guys, look how gorgeous and delicious this looks. You've got tender chicken breast in a rich, savory, luxurious sauce topped with lots of melted cheese. And I've only used 5 ingredients. Talk about simple yet flavorful. Okay, time to give it a taste. Delicious. You guys are gonna love this one.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Feel free to take a look at my other recipes and make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching and see you next time.